Hello, all you lovely computer scientists. Today we're going to be showing off input validation in Python. This is useful because it can ensure the program doesn't receive errors when the user is inputting data, while still being able to run properly by making the data correct in some way, by having the user constantly re-input data until it is correct for the program. So, in Python, you will almost always have inputs. And before we showed off input specification, input verification, which are very useful for inputs, but they don't solve the problem. They just mean that it won't screw you up. Today we're going to be showing off a special one, which does solve the problem: input validation. Now, just like before, you'll have your variable equals input message, and then you would have it verified. So if var dot is numeric, we'll say we need an integer. Print integer. So this is verification, right? This is how we verify it so we don't have any screw-ups in the code. But it doesn't solve the problem of what if it is not. Now what it might be is you do this, a loop. While variable, while not variable dot is numeric, you may say, and you have your placeholder value. Just plain placeholders. And then this will make sure that this will loop until the user does the correct thing. So I could put h hyphen. Nothing I do goes through, because it will keep asking the user until they do the correct thing. This can be more useful than verification, 99 times out of 10. Because it ensures that your program will run how you want it to run, without needing you to sanitize the input, or without you needing to rely on the user to do it correct the first time. As sometimes, even if the user knows fully that they can only input integers, sometimes the user himself does it on accident, right? I might try and type 34, but misclick and put 3e. Sometimes it's not the user's fault, which is why we need verification, validation, and sanitation in our inputs. I'm going to show sanitation next week. Yeah. Validation is repeatedly asking the user for an input until it is viable for the program to use. That's about it. Thank you. Also, don't mind my voice being a bit more gravelly. I've got a chest infection, I think. So that's fun. But yeah, hope you learned something. Thank you very much for watching the video. I do hope you learned something. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Please especially comment, because it helps me learn how you learn, helps me make better videos to increase all of our learning potential and make us all better at computer science.